You're probably here because this headset strap is really hard to adjust on your head properly. Now what you're gonna see on the top is that there is this Velcro strap. Open the Velcro piece and you pull on the strap. This will give you a lot more room for the top of your head. Alternatively, you can pull this all the way through, strap that, and now you'll have less room for your top of your head. Next, you have these two little straps in the back. There's this actual plastic piece that you can pull on to make the headset tighter around your head, or basically fit the front of the headset to your head a lot closer, or you can pull them in like this, and then that will make the headset looser again. First, I will loosen this, and again, I will also loosen this back piece. Now I'll put it on my head, and first I will tighten these back straps all the way until I feel like it's tight on my head. I will go ahead and take the top Velcro strap and hold this piece while I pull and then close it up. Another thing to note though is that there is a little bit of a pivot joint here. So if you can see, there's a little bit of a pivot. So depending on the shape of your face, you can actually also angle that up or down. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any other questions about VR, and I will try to help you out.